Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to the closing ceremony of the course ending for Clubs World Championships. It has been an incredible event filled with passion, skill and a deep love for the sport. As we gather here today, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone who made this championship a success. First and foremost, I would like to thank the organizers. Your dedication and hard work behind the scenes have been crucial in bringing this event to life. From coordinating the venues to ensuring a smooth experience for everyone involved, your efforts have truly paid off. Next, a big thank you to our generous sponsors. Your support has been invaluable in making this championship possible. Your contributions have not only helped in organizing this event, but have also promoted the spirit of fishing on a global stage. These are the Fishing Association of Slovenia. Special thanks goes to the main sponsor, HIS Brežice, Municipality of Brežice, Brežice Youth Center, Posavje Regional Museum, Costa Krško, Shriver Law Firm, and all the others who have helped to carry out this event. Before we proceed with the awarding of trophies and medals, I would like to invite the Deputy Mayor, Mr. Alexander Gajski, to the stage. He will say a few words and help us honor the achievements of our winners.
Lep dober večer, zaključni prireditve svetovnega prvenstva. Lepo pozdravljeni iz vsega konca sveta, čeprav sem slišal, da ste med nami več ali manj zgolj ekipe iz Evrope. Upam, oziroma naj začnem takole, veseli in počaščeni smo v Brežicah, v regiji Posavje, da smo smeli gostiti ta izjemen dogodek in upam, da ste zadovoljni s tekmovalnimi pogoji, seveda tudi z rezultati. Kot podžupan občine Brežice pa upam, da ste imeli tudi časa med tekmovalnimi deli in treningi izkoristiti čas za ogled kakšnih izmed naših znamenitosti in da se boste tudi prihodnje odločili, da nas na osnovi videnega obiščete in počastite z vašim obiskom. Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the closing ceremony of this world competition. It's a world championship, but as I've been told, we have only competitors from Europe. I hope you've had a great stay here in the municipality of Brežice in the region of Posavje, that you've enjoyed it, that you've had some time to enjoy some seaside between the trainings and the competitions. So I hope you've seen something interesting and that you will be coming back to Slovenia, to Brežice. And we were really honored and happy to be hosting this tremendous event. And I hope you've been satisfied with the conditions here in Brežice and of course with your results. So, of course, all the best to you in the future, all the best to you on your sports career, and I would be really happy and glad to see you again here in Slovenia. Thank you very much and have a nice evening.
Our today's performer is Anna Javic, who comes from Košice. She has been playing the zither for 8 years, and this year she has just finished the first year at the Ljubljana Conservatory of Music and Ballet. She has had many successful performances at national and international competitions. She also plays the zither in the zither orchestra of the music school Brežice. She will play ABBA's Chiquitita. Javan, the President of the Fishing Association of Slovenia.
Spoštovani tekmovalci, spoštovani gostje. Dva tekmovalna dneva sta za nami. Bilo je vroče, bilo je naporno, tako za nas tekmovalce kot za druge. Ob zaključku bi se najprej želel zahvaliti FIPSET in njenemu predsedniku CIPS-a Klavdiju Matolju za priložnost. Kot drugo bi se želel zahvaliti prizadevnim članom ribiške družine Brežic za organizacijo tega prvenstva in kot tretje vam tekmovalcem za fair play. Ob zaključku bi želel čestitati dobitnikom priznanj in pa vam zaželeti srečno pot domov. Dear all competitors and guests, today's competitors is behind you. It was hot and exacting for you and for fish. In the end, I want to say thank you to FIPSET and his president and president Claudio Matoli for this opportunity. In the second, I would like to say thank you Fishing Club Brežice for good organization. And in the end, my single congratulations to all the awards winners, and I wish you to have a safe journey to home. Thank you.
Anna, the stage is yours again. So Anna is going to play a famous song by a Slovenian songwriter who's called Nina Pušlar, and the song is called Toploči, and in English it will be Warm Eyes. Anna, the stage is yours. the moment that we have all been waiting for it. That's why we're here, right? The awards, the medals, the trophies, and let's start. But before we start with delivering trophies and medals, I would kind of like to stand up in honor of the anthem.
You see, Roy, you know, whenever you get Roy, he smiles at different things. You're against me.
Here we go. We're going to start with clubs. So clubs go first and then nationalities. And of course we're going to start with place number 3, then second, and then first place. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Alrighty. So third place goes to RS, Crazy Boys, Malmö, MVS, Czech Republic. The second place goes to Lenza Meliana Tubertini, Italia. the first place goes to SPP87 France. Please go to the stage. I would like to ask Mr. Gajski, Mr. Metavoli, and Mr. Jaber to award the trophies. Mr. Alexander Gajski, please. Trophy for the second place, Mr. Miroslav Jabre, please do us the honors. First place, Mr. Claudio Metavoli. I would like to ask you to stay on stage and the anthem of France. please, to come up to the stage and join me on the stage. The third place goes to Czechia, and the trophy will be awarded by Mr. Peter Dimitrovsky. The second place goes to Italia, and the award will be awarded by Miroslav Žabar. And the first place goes to France. I would like to ask Mr. Claudio Matoli to give the trophy to the team. I would like to invite Mr. Claudio Matoli, the President of FIP SED, to the stage.
We are the different team.
Hello. Check. Thank you. Two news. The first, I think that most of you, for the first time, hear the new anthem of Chips. Because Chips decided to have one international anthem, and in all manifestation, in all championship of freshwater, seawater, we sing this new anthem. I hope that the anthem is okay for you, but for me it's very, very nice. Thank you for new anthem. Grazie. Thanks. Another news, you are 39, and in my opinion, this is the biggest championship of FIPSD this year, with 39 countries. You are a lot. Thank you, thank you, thank you, all teams. And thank you, all of you, because in 2 days I have no one problem. Zero. No one complaint, no one discussion, nothing. A perfect fair play. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. I wish to thank the town, the municipality of Brežice for his hospitality. I don't know this part of Slovenia. I know a little because I stayed here a lot of years ago for a ladies world championship in Kostanica, close to here, but not River Sala. The venue is really fantastic. With more fish is best, will be better, but the venue looks like very, very, very nice. There is not so big fish, but at the end, I think the best fishing this kind of breed are there on the podium. Congratulations to the winner. Congratulations for the first, the second, and the third. Thank you a lot to the organizer, because apart a little problem yesterday with some steward, the other is completely good. There is no problem. There is no particular situation. I wish to thank three Peter, because helping us, there is no one Peter, but three Peter together. A lot of Peter. I don't know if in Slovenia all man name is Peter, but a lot. Thank you also at the organized. Thank you, Peter, and Peter. The last, but not the least, I wish to thank who work very, very hard for this championship, Barbara Durante, the General Secretary. Thank you, Barbara. Thank you very much. Okay, you are hungry, I think so. On behalf of the International Freshwater Federation, I declare closed this 43rd Course World Championship, and I wait you, all of you, next year in Portugal. Ciao! Fermi! Is a shock! Eccoli lì! No, he's in Ireland. Ireland! is a joke. You don't like Portugal? Ireland!
Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the end of this remarkable Force and Clubs World Championships, it's time to say farewell and reflect on the incredible experiences we have shared over the past few days. This event has been a celebration of skill, dedication, and the universal love for the sport of fishing. We have witnessed outstanding performances, made new friendships, and created lasting memories. It is moments like these that remind us why we're passionate about the sport and the community it fosters. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude once again to the organizers, sponsors, people who worked tirelessly to make this championship a success. Your efforts have not gone unnoticed, and we are deeply appreciative of your contributions. To the competitors, congratulations on your achievements. Your sportsmanship and passion have been inspiring, and we look forward to seeing your continued success in future competitions. Wherever you live here, with a trophy or not, you are all winners in our eyes for your dedication and fair play. As we say goodbye, I wish each and every one of you safe travels home. May the friendships and connections made here continue to grow, and may your future fishing adventures be filled with success and joy. Thank you for being a part of this event, and we hope to see you again at the next Horse Angling Pro Clubs World Championships. Until then, tight lines and happy fishing. Farewell and all the best.